new student. Today we are match the letters. Match the letters. Here are small and capital letters. We can match small with the capitals. Okay. You can see here one side are capital letters and one side are small letters. We can match the smaller with the bigger or bigger with the smaller. Okay. A. Where is A? It is capital A, and this one is a smaller A. We can match. You can match like this. Match A with A. Where is a B? There is a B. B for ball. B for ball. Uh, and here is a smaller one. We can match before ball, before ball. See, see. Here is a C, and here is a C. You can match C with C. Oh, wow, right. Where is a D? Where is a D? Here it is. Oh, great. We can match. Here is a smaller D. Here is a capital A. Where is a E? A D after E. E. Here is a capital E and here is a smaller E. Match E with E. Where is a F? F. Here. Oh wow. You can match these with this. What is a G? G, 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 G. Search. Look at this. This one is a G. And here is G. Ash. After G, ash. Where is ash? Oh, look at this. Here is ash. And here is ash. Ah. Oh. Oh. Get down. Here is A and here is H. This makes this. Now you match the letters. We are complete the matching the letters. Now red color. Red color.